Welcome to the iHOUSE Elite blog training video. In this video, we'll cover how to view and edit a blog post, a brief look at where to turn on and off moderation, where to manage tags for blog posts, and a look at the settings for blog posts. With that, let's get started. Begin by logging into your admin menu. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click Admin Menu. From the admin menu on the left-hand side, click Blog, and below this you'll see Post. Click Post. The post section will show you the currently scheduled blog posts. These come pre-composed from when your website was first set up. They're set to send on a schedule, but you are always encouraged to contribute to the schedule by creating a new post of your own, if desired. By blogging, this shows search engine and possible contacts that you have relevant real estate information for their search. This can lead to more website visibility and new contacts. With that in mind, blogging is a best practice when possible. Also, keep in mind that when you press create a blog post, you can schedule a post for a later date and time. With that, let's take a look at an existing scheduled post as an example. Click Edit on an existing article. In the Edit mode for your blog post, you'll be able to assign a page title, enter an author name, add any desired content, make any relevant tags, choose a featured image, and decide if you'd like to allow comments on the article. The last option is setting the post date. If this is set for a future date, it'll wait in your queue ready to be posted automatically once the desired date and time is reached. This is useful as it allows you to prepare multiple blog posts without the need to log in and post then and there. You can instead schedule them to post over time if desired. The next section we'll take a quick look at is moderation. Moderation is on by default to ensure unwanted user comments don't display on your blog. But if you'd like to allow visitors to post comments freely and have them appear immediately, you can turn moderation off. If moderation is left on, when a user makes a comment on one of your posts, their message will appear here for your approval, disapproval, or deletion. And that covers our moderation section. The next one we'll take a look at is Manage Tags. On the left, click Manage Tags. We saw tags on the example post we took a look at. Tags are used to better organize your blog content into categories. These tags also provide a small search engine benefit as a keyword that describes your content. As mentioned earlier, blogging is a best practice when possible. And as for our last section, we'll check out Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can change global and default settings for your blog. From here, you'll have the option to set the default author name, view your RSS link in case this is needed to syndicate your blog to other platforms, adjust the default settings for comments, set the time zone for scheduled posts, as well as the default settings for your featured image. And if you're all set from there, you can press Save Settings. And that concludes our intro video to your iHOUSE Elite blog. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you the latest updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.